Are you packing for a Holland America cruise? No matter where you're going, there are a few essentials that you need to bring with you so that you don't feel left out on your Holland America experience. Hi everyone, welcome back to KirkToriStory. We sold our house back in 2022 and have been cruising the world on different cruise lines and different ships. We're going to be on a Holland America ship again next week, and I've been starting to think about some of the things that we need to pack. Some ships have themes or specific parties or events, so this Holland America list may be a bit different than your list of items to pack for your Virgin cruise or your Costa cruise, for example. I'm not going to focus on itineraries for this list. Obviously, if you're going to the Caribbean versus Antarctica, you would be packing a little bit differently for the weather. For this video, I'm focusing on the cruise line, Holland America itself. Whether you're on the Westerdam, the Zandam, or whatever dam ship, this list will apply. Number 1, formal attire. On formal nights, Holland America embraces the tradition of classic cruising, where dressing up was part of the luxurious experience. The tradition adds a touch of old world elegance, with guests in tuxedos, gowns, or elegant dresses, making the formal evenings feel special and memorable. All Holland America cruise lines have at least one formal night, and you should check your own itinerary to see how many there are on your voyage. Overall, you'll want to pack something nice that you would wear to an elegant evening out or to a wedding. You'll want to pack a nice suit or a cocktail dress along with some stylish shoes, or at the very least, make sure you're dressed to impress. Number 2, orange party outfit. On our first cruise with Holland America, we had no idea about the orange party that is held on each cruise. We really wish we had been told or had understood what it was before we went on the ship. Luckily, we had come off a Halloween cruise before we went on the Westerdam, so that we had some orange glasses and an orange tie. Also, just so you know, the ship does offer some orange accessories for those of you who want to feel like you are a part of the fun and join in on the party. So, Holland America's Orange Party Night celebrates the line's Dutch heritage, as orange is the national color of the Netherlands, symbolizing the Dutch royal family, the House of Orange-Nassau. During this lively event, guests are encouraged to wear orange outfits or accessories to join in the spirit. And it's a fun way to be part of the Dutch atmosphere with themed drinks, music, and decorations. So what you could bring are things like a simple orange shirt or a dress, or you could dress up with orange accessories like scarves, hats, jewelry. And you can find something with a fun print like florals or tropical prints. You could bring casual layers like orange jacket or a sweater, or you could even make matching orange t-shirts if you're with a group. Regardless, the orange party is a great way to join in on the fun and show your cruise spirit. And number 3, gym clothes. Holland America's gyms offer a variety of equipment and activities, giving you options to stay active at sea. You'll find treadmills, elliptical machines, free weights, and resistance equipment, along with dedicated spaces for stretching and yoga. And some ships even have panoramic views in the fitness center, making your workout feel refreshing and scenic. So for workout attire, pack comfortable athletic wear and sturdy sneakers with a good grip for the equipment. Bring a water bottle to stay hydrated, as well as a small towel for during your workout. Many ships also have locker rooms, so consider bringing a lock if you want to secure your belongings. And for those of you who like group fitness, Holland America has Pilates, yoga, and cycling, and it's usually for a small fee. So staying active while cruising is a great way to balance out all of the delicious food that you'll probably eat. I made a great video on how not to gain weight while on a cruise ship. It has a lot of interesting tips that we share on how we haven't gained weight and how we stay in shape. I'll link it below in the comments. Also, if you have found any value about what to pack on your Holland America cruise, I'd be really grateful for you to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much for your support. And number 4, swimwear. On Holland America, the swimwear is essential for enjoying onboard pools, hot tubs, and spa areas. Their ships feature relaxing spaces like the Lido pool, and many ships can have the greenhouse spa where you can indulge in steam rooms, hydrotherapy pools, and other luxurious treatments. A comfortable swimsuit like a one-piece tankini or swim trunks is perfect for lounging or a quick dip. Flip-flops are also a must for walking around the decks in the spa, and sunglasses with UV protection are key for sunny days on the top deck. So for a touch of extra comfort, pack a cover-up or a light beach towel, especially if you plan to transition from poolside to other areas of the ship. And number 5, casual evening wear. For casual evenings on Holland America, you'll want outfits that balance comfort with a touch of style, ideally for enjoying the ship's lively social activities. Think along the lines of smart casual, like a nice blouse or a collared shirt paired with a slacks or a skirt that works well. Lightweight dresses, comfortable pants, and stylish tops are also great for flexibility, transitioning effortlessly from dinner to evening entertainment. And if you're attending concerts, trivia games, or shows, bring a light sweater or a jacket, as some venues can get really cold from the air conditioning. Comfortable closed toe shoes or stylish flats will keep you comfortable as you explore the different activities. And I find that Holland America evenings are really relaxed, so you can enjoy a polished, laid back look without the need for formal attire. When packing for a Holland America cruise, think about a versatile wardrobe that covers all the essentials, bringing comfortable daytime wear for excursions, formal attire for elegant nights, and smart casual outfits for evening activities like dinners and shows. And don't forget that swimwear for the pools, athletic wear for the gym, and something festive for that orange party. So don't forget these. Also, remember the personal essentials: any medications, comfy shoes for exploring, light jackets, sweaters for cooler evenings, and accessories like sunglasses and hats for sun protection. And with a thoughtful mix of clothing and personal items, you'll be ready to enjoy all the unique experiences on board at each port. I really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next video.